Woodlands Middle School, and we're checking out the Penny at Work that's being done this summer. They're doing some renovation work here at this school, and they're modernizing several things, including the fire alarm panel, the bathrooms, the group bathrooms, the light fixtures, and they're also painting and upgrading the exterior walls and gutters and downspouts. The school's going to have a fresh new look on the outside because of the new paint. The bathrooms that are now almost 30 years old are going to start looking like they're fresh and brand new. It's going to be all new toilet fixtures, sinks, partition walls. In addition to the work that they're doing this summer, they're going to be upgrading all of the air handling units to improve the air conditioning at the school. They're going to be renovating the showers in the locker rooms, and we're going to be replacing the existing light fixtures with new modernized LED light fixtures. So this is going to make the schools not only better looking, but also safer and more conducive to students who are trying to learn.